welcome to the second episode of Supreme Court Ki Baat. In history, the finest hour for a nation can be succeeded by the darkest hour, all in a span of 3 days. Let me narrate to you this interesting story. The 3 days I have selected in this story are 24th, 25th and 26th of April 1973. On 24th April 1973, the finest hour for the nation was when the judgment in the case of Keshavananda Bharati was delivered. The Supreme Court held that while the Parliament had the prerogative of amending any part of the Constitution, it could not touch the basic structure of the Constitution. Hence, the power of the Parliament was limited by the basic structure. It has been said that if democracy has sustained in this country over the last 50 years, it is because of Keshavananda Bharati, the great judgment. On 25th, the Chief Justice of India, Justice Sikri, at that time, was to demit office upon retirement. And we were to have a new Chief Justice of India on 26th of April 1973. The government of the day, led by none other than Mrs. Indira Gandhi, was very unhappy with the Keshavananda Bharati judgment. The government of the day did not want any impediment in its power to amend the Constitution. Hence, 3 judges of the Supreme Court who had decided against the government and in favor of the basic structure of the Constitution being unamendable by Parliament, the 3 great judges were superseded. The 3 great judges were Justice Shelat, Justice Hegde and Justice Grover. They were superseded by Justice A.N. Ray, and therefore I would say that 26th April 1973 was amongst the darkest days for the nation when 3 judges were superseded by the government just because they decided against the government in Keshavananda Bharati.